Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having a weird font issue on Windows 10. So if you notice your font when you're opening up different programs seems to be a little bit off, this tutorial should restore back to the default Windows 10 font that we are all pretty much familiar with at this point, hopefully. So we're going to jump into it and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu and we're going to type in Control Panel. Best match should say Control Panel right above Desktop App. Just left click on that one time. So underneath Appearance and Personalization, assuming your view by is set to Category, you want to left click on Appearance and Personalization. Then go underneath Fonts, and again you can see a little icon over here on the left side so you know you're dealing with the Fonts folder. In case the font is just so out of whack you can't even really tell. So once you've done that, you want to left click now on Font Settings on the left. And now where it says Reset Default Font Settings, left click on this button. This will reset the default font. Now I would highly suggest you guys restart your computer at this point and hopefully it's worked for you. Now if it has not, there is a registry entry that we can create that should restore back to the default font as well. So I'm actually going to make it right here on my desktop. So I'm going to right click on a blank spot if you're unaware of how to make a registry entry. I'm going to left click on New. And I'm going to select the text document, so just a normal text document here. I'm going to double click to open it up. I'm going to paste in this information that I'm going to have in the description of the video, and basically this is going to be a registry entry that we're going to be putting in here, and this should be able to restore back to default. So this is the default listed in here. If you want to change it to something else you can, but I would suggest keeping it as it is. So once you pasted it in, I'm going to do File, Save As. You can save it as whatever. I'm going to just call it text, and then I'm going to do .reg, and underneath Save As Type, I'm going to click this drop-down box or drop-down menu and select All Files, and keep encoding as ANSI. Left click on Save, so we can close out of here. We see we have a text registry entry right now on our desktop. You want to double click on it. If you get a user account control window, left click on Yes. It's going to say adding information can unintentionally change or delete values and cause components to stop working correctly. If you do not trust the source of the information in this location, do not add it to the registry. Are you sure you want to continue? Left click on Yes. Now if you're unsure of anything, you're more than welcome to create a backup of your registry before beginning, or left clicking on Yes. Whatever you want to do, but this is pretty safe here. So we're going to just left click on Yes and then select OK. And now that should hopefully have restored our registry back to default. And I do hope this brief tutorial will help you guys out. Once you're done with this, you can just delete whatever's on your desktop, left click on Yes, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.